In this video, we're going to be making ton holes. What you're going to need is eggs, butter, a butter knife, a spatula, a pan, bread, and a cup. So you're going to start with taking a bit of the butter and cutting it and then tossing it in the pan. And then you'll...
Whoa, that's a lot of butter.
Mom, butter tastes good and it helps it not stick.
Way too much butter.
And then you're going to turn on the heat and let it melt.
Half a tablespoon butter is fine.
We're going to take my one slice of bread. I'm going to take my little cup and I'm going to kind of cut a hole in it. But you have to kind of do this gently so you don't accidentally rip an entire hole through the entire thing and that's just two pieces of bread. And you gotta take that out. And so that's the hole where we're gonna be dumping the egg in. And don't forget to spread the butter around. Butter both sides. Wait a moment. Flip it over and oh shoot, the corner ripped. Oh well. So both sides are really warm. Now you gotta get your egg. And try not to get any eggshell. I don't think I got any in it, and then you're gonna throw away the egg shell. Oh shoot, I did get some.
Okay, I got it.
You don't want to eat that. And so now you're gonna wait until the whiter part of the egg gets kind of white. And while you're waiting, you can salt and pepper it to salt and pepper the egg while in cooking. You also have salt and pepper the bread. The bread tastes good salt and peppered too. And now we're just gonna wait. If you ever feel like it might be time but you're not sure, you can lift up the corner and look under, and it's easy to see through the egg when you are looking under. It needs to cook a little longer, and if it starts leaking, it definitely needs to cook a little longer. But if all you see is a little white, then you can flip. I need to wait a little longer. Check again. Still need to wait a little longer. Okay, that little longer is up. I gotta take it, flip it, and flip both of them. Now you can salt and pepper it a second time if you want to. And then you're gonna turn this up slowly and then turn it off. And then you're also gonna need a plate. And if you're thinking you didn't cook it high enough, you can look under there and nope, didn't cook it all the way. So I'm gonna turn the fire on a little more and just wait a little bit more. Around 30 seconds would be good. And then you can turn it off, check it again, and that looks maybe a little too good, maybe a little overcooked, and so you should probably have your plate out at this point, but if not, go grab your plate now. And I'm just gonna hold my plate. Mom, can you hold one end?
Can you put the glove on and show how to hold it? Don't, it's gonna be hot.
Mom, the handle is meant not to be hot.
It's metal.
And then plop. And you can add extra salt and pepper if you want to, but other than that, that's how you make a ton hole. Enjoy. Sometimes the egg is cooked differently. Sometimes it will explode like that, and other times it won't explode. But usually when it does explode, I'll cut off this end over here, cut off a little chunk, and I'll use that to wipe up the yolk, and it tastes really good.
Or you can cook it for a minute longer if you like more solid eggs that aren't runny.